Merry Christmas 2019. I've been getting some questions on social media about how this WaySafe hitch works, so I'm going to explain it and I'll show you some stuff. Check this out. So the first thing I think worth mentioning is that the WaySafe hitch replaces all my other stuff. So as for instance, got this 1 7/8 inch ball drop hitch that I use for a small open trailer. Got I think this one has a 2 inch. No, there's another 1 7/8 inch. Oh, here's a 2 inch. Got a 2 inch for sort of standard stuff. This is actually the standard tow bar off the Touareg. So it's pretty heavy and solid. And then we got this guy, little Tractor Supply hitch that's got 2 5/16, 1 7/8, and 2 inch all on one. Of course, no drop at all. Usually your trailer's a little cattywampus on that, but that's okay. It works pretty good. Here's a drawbar for my little car. The WaySafe hitch does not have a 1 1/4 option, so it won't replace this unless we do something custom. Quite a bit of rise on this guy too, something like about 5 inches ish. So I don't have the box, but I know everybody loves seeing things being unboxed. So here we go. I got this on Facebook Marketplace, but the buyer told me it was pretty new, so it looks pretty new. So how does this thing work? Well, as you can see, I got the 2 inch shank. It's a 6 inch drop and or rise, depending on if you flip her around. Comes with a 2 5/16 inch ball, 2 inch ball, and I actually ordered a 1 7/8 because I do pull the small trailer a decent amount, and this will just be a one size fits all solution. I actually also ordered a 4 inch shank so I don't have something hanging too low on some stuff, because I'll use this on multiple vehicles. So how does it work? Well, pretty freaking simple, but sometimes it's easier just to see. So you can also get a one that's not lockable, but a lot of people are worried about how much these cost and getting stolen, so they sell you a little key lock thing. So you just pull this guy out, and it moves up and down. You can take it off, flip it around even. Now you got a rise. Or you want to stow it behind your truck. And you can put her on backwards if you want to leave it hooked up to your hitch, but keep the ball out of the way so maybe you don't hit your leg as much. I don't know. The other interesting thing is, as you can see there, you can change the ball. Just pull this pin out. Pull the ball out, put this guy in, line her up, get the pin back in there. So, and then that gets trapped in there by when it's on the hitch. So, pretty cool. Anyway, I'll show you how that goes on the truck real quick. And for the Touareg guys, sorry, I'm gonna do this on my Tundra, but it should be pretty good. Let's go over here. And actually, the WaveSafe guys can sell a matching locking pin for your receiver also, but I like to use this thing because it matches to your key for your truck. Anyway. I think the light actually might be better from the other side. Let's switch it around since we're shooting into the sun. Alright, so anyway, just goes on like this. Like I said, you can lock with this one, just use the pin right now. It's got two holes, so you can bring it all the way in like this, or you can have her out a little bit like this. Anyway, put this guy in here. Put this wherever you want it. It's got a little dust cover, and as you can see, there's a little scale on there and tell you your tongue weight. That's kind of the party trick for this thing. Put your dust cover on, you're good to go. Obviously you can adjust your height as needed. That's what somebody on the Turek forum was asking me about. How do you adjust your height? Like I said, it's pretty simple. Just pull this pin out, bring her down, put the pin back in. Easy peasy. All right, and if you're into keeping this thing back here and stowing it like this, you can also just flip her around. Put this line back in, and you're good to go. Pretty cool. Hitch that replaces kind of everything else and gives you the tongue weight, like I said. I mean, you know, I don't have to carry around all this now. I still do use a weight distribution hitch for my for my big trailer, but actually WaveSafe does have one of those as well. With a scale on it they just came out with, so those are pretty cool too. But anyway, that's it. Hopefully that explains everything. I'll throw this up on YouTube so I can share it with you guys. All right.